It's what happens when two holidays collide. It's time for our holiday tale to begin. There's no turning back now. Please, come all the way in.
All the way forward, all the way in, please.
Our holiday tale is a tale that's quite charming. But during this season, it's sometimes alarming. So relax and reflect. Feel free to take pause while we tell you a tale about dear Sandy Claus. Was the nightmare before Christmas, and all through the house, not a creature was peaceful, not even a mouse. The stockings, all hung by the chimney with care, when opened that morning, would cause such a scare. The children, nestled all snug in their beds, would have nightmares of monsters and skeleton heads. This year, he's decided to play Santa Claus. But when Halloween creates Christmas, you might see a few flaws. And now, a dark carriage will take you away. Sit back, rest in peace, with no black Christmas sleigh. Your sleigh will accommodate one or two more. Don't pull down the load. It will float down the knees and keep a close watch on all children. Please, looks like this news has contained just the venue was changed. All was soon covered. A door would be raised. And put to one night
embracing strength that never ends. 12 signs of the zodiac that rule the future and transcend. 11 candles floating, their scent of mystery in the air. 10 telling tea leaves that swirl with secrets yet to share. On the 9th day of Christmas,
We will continue our holiday tour in no time at all.
What's this? What's this?
We will continue your holiday tour momentarily.
Sure to bring your Santa Claus sack. I'll be waiting to open my Christmas present. Good night.